A southpaw is a term used to describe someone who is left-handed, particularly in the context of sports, but it can also refer to left-handedness in general. This colloquial term has its origins in the sport of baseball, where it has been commonly used for decades to distinguish left-handed pitchers from their right-handed counterparts. The exact origins of the term southpaw are somewhat debated, but it is believed to have emerged in the late 19th or early 20th century. One theory suggests that the term came into use because many baseball fields were oriented with home plate to the west, so a left-handed pitcher would have their throwing arm, their paw, pointing to the south when facing a batter. Another theory relates the term to the orientation of baseball diamonds, where the pitcher's mound is typically to the east, and a left-handed pitcher would have their throwing arm on the south side. Regardless of its precise origin, southpaw became firmly established in baseball jargon to describe left-handed players, particularly pitchers. Over time, the term has been adopted in other sports as well, and it has become a more general term for left-handed individuals. In sports, left-handed athletes, including southpaw pitchers in baseball, often have certain advantages and challenges. For example, left-handed pitchers can be advantageous in baseball because they present a different throwing angle to batters, making it more challenging for right-handed hitters. In sports like boxing, a southpaw stance can also provide a strategic advantage, since most fighters are trained to face opponents who are right-handed. Outside of sports, being left-handed, or a southpaw, is relatively uncommon. Approximately 10% of the world's population is left-handed. This minority status has led to a variety of cultural and societal perceptions and superstitions surrounding left-handedness. In some cultures, left-handedness was historically stigmatized, and left-handed individuals were forced to use their right hand for various activities. However, these biases have decreased over time, and left-handedness is generally accepted and respected in most societies today. In conclusion, a southpaw is a term primarily used in the context of sports, particularly baseball, to refer to a left-handed individual. Its origins are somewhat debated, but it has become a well-established term to distinguish left-handed athletes from their right-handed counterparts. While left-handedness was historically associated with stigmas and superstitions, it is now widely accepted and respected in modern society, and many left-handed individuals thrive in various fields and endeavors.